Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can assign a profile to a space in Arc. So in order to change space's profile, then what we need to do is first select the space that we want to make the adjustment to. So let's say I'm gonna use this space, and this one is now connected to the same profile as all of these. You can tell that by these favorite tabs that I have at the top over here. In all cases, in all spaces, these favorites are the same. But now if I want to assign a different profile to that space, I can right click on an empty space and then go to profile, and over here you will find all your profiles that you have created. Now, right now in my case, I have only one profile, but I can create a new profile if I want to. I can name it how I want to, and then I can go next, and now as you can see I can choose which spaces should be assigned to that new profile. So as I said, I want this space to be used for this new profile, so I'm gonna select only this one. Of course you can select multiple, you can untick how you want, and then let's go and create a profile. Now as you can see, my favorites are gone, but if I go back to those previous two spaces, those favorites are still over there at the top. But if I go back to the last space over here, they are gone. And this is of course because I have different profile assigned to that space. As you can see, this is the one that I just created. Of course, if I want to change that back, now I can choose the previous profile, and now my favorites are back once again. So this is how we can switch profiles for specific tabs, for specific spaces. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.